Hello everyone, this is my another video and today's topic is oxidation of monosaturated fatty acid. Oxidation of monosaturated fatty acid. Okay. So before that I just explained beta oxidation in my previous video and you just check out that. Okay. And today's topic is different types of fatty acids are there and that are oxidized. So I just explain very briefly in their reactions, about their reactions. Okay. So here the monosaturated fatty acid. First of all, you just learn it that beta oxidation is possible until the double bond of the carbon that reached. Okay. That means hi everyone, welcome to my channel and this is my another video. Before that I explained about beta oxidation and today's topic is the oxidations of different fatty acids. Clear? So what kind of fatty acid is here? That is a monosaturated fatty acid and we are taking the palmitoyl CoA. Palmitoyl CoA. Okay. And this, first of all, you just learn the beta oxidation. Beta oxidation of the saturated fatty acids until the double bond is reached. Okay. So here, in case of this, 3 cycles of beta oxidation occurs. 3 cycles of beta oxidation occur. And after completion of the 3 cycles, cis delta square anoyl CoA is formed. Okay? Cis delta square anoyl CoA is formed. And in presence of this anoyl CoA isomers, the cis form changes to trans form. Okay? Cis form changes to trans form. That is, cis delta square changes to trans delta square. Anoyl CoA, and after that anoyl CoA hydratase just convert the trans delta square anoyl CoA into another substance for the continuation of beta oxidation. Okay, for the continuation of beta oxidation. That means the monosaturated fatty acid, after completion of the 3 cycles of beta oxidation, it changes to cis delta square anoyl CoA, and this delta square cis position, the beta oxidation is not possible in this cis position. So after for the continuation of the beta oxidation, it has to change into transposition of anoyl CoA. Okay, and the cis position when changes to transposition, then in presence of anoyl CoA hydratase, the beta oxidation continuation occur again. Clear? So this is the oxidation of monosaturated fatty acid. How this is possible? Okay. Next one. Oxidation of polysaturated fatty acids. Oxidation of polysaturated fatty acids. So here one problem arises when the linoyl CoA that remain in cis situation, cis condition. So here in case of linoyl CoA, the 3 cycles of after just completion of the 3 cycles of beta oxidation, that remains also in cis position and form the enoyl CoA. But here the enoyl CoA, after formation of this enoyl CoA, the reactions not becomes continuous. So here what happens? The enoyl CoA, in presence of enoyl CoA isomers, enoyl CoA but in trans position, okay, or trans situation. And after formation of the trans situation or transposition, then again one cycle of beta oxidation is possible, okay. And after that, the enoyl CoA, from the enoyl CoA, acyl CoA is formed. Clear? So what happens here? First, the polyunsaturated fatty acid, that is here linoleoyl CoA. This linoleoyl CoA, here I explain about the oxidation of the polyunsaturated fatty acids. The polyunsaturated fatty acid, there is this one, that is the linoleoyl CoA. But this linoleoyl CoA, it remains in cis position. So after completion of the 3 cycles of beta oxidation, the reaction become, for continuing this reaction, it must changes to transposition, okay. So this first completion of the 3 cycles of beta oxidation, when it form the enoyl CoA, that also remains in cis position, okay. So this cis position that changes to transposition in presence of enoyl CoA isomers, and when in presence of enoyl CoA isomers against enoyl CoA, that converts into the enoyl CoA that in trans condition, then one cycle of beta oxidation again possible, okay. And after this cycle of beta oxidation, acyl CoA is formed. In the next step, acyl CoA dehydrogenase that converts the acyl CoA into 2,4-dienoyl CoA, and as usual, dehydrogenase is there, that means the FAD converts into FADH2. In the next step, dienoyl CoA that converts into 3,2-enoyl CoA but into trans, okay. And here the enzyme is same, 2,4-dienoyl CoA isomerase, okay. And after changing or conversion of this, it changes to 3-enoyl CoA, and here the enzyme is 3,2-enoyl CoA isomerase, okay. Isomerase, then after formation of the 3-enoyl CoA, the 4 cycles of beta oxidation completes here, and 3-enoyl CoA converted to acetyl CoA, okay. And as usual, same, the acetyl CoA goes to TCA cycle, and acyl CoA that again enters into the beta oxidation, okay. This is the oxidation of the polyunsaturated fatty acid, okay. Now we learn about the oxidation of the fatty acids with odd numbered carbon chain. By odd numbered means 3, 5, 7 like that. So here is the fatty acid chain is propionine CoA. That means 3 carbon chain. Okay. So this is odd numbered carbon chain. How the oxidation occurs here? First of all, the propionine CoA in presence of propionine CoA carboxylase, it transfers or it converts into D-methylmalonyl CoA, okay. And this D-methylmalonyl CoA that converts into N-methylmalonyl CoA in presence of methylmalonyl CoA epimerase, okay. So here we have taken the carboxylase, the process is carboxylation, okay. Process is carboxylation, and the epimerase, that is there is this substance is racemized, and after that this L-methylmalonyl CoA, it converts into succinyl CoA in presence of methylmalonyl CoA mutase. But this enzyme acts only in presence of B12. That means it is B12 dependent. Okay. And this succinyl CoA, after the formation of the succinyl CoA, it enters into TCA cycle and changes to acetyl CoA. Clear? So these are the reactions of odd numbered carbon chain oxidation. Okay. So I think all the oxidations of different fatty acids I explained in my video. But I explained clearly about the beta oxidation, not in this video, previous video. Okay, first you check that video, how the beta oxidations reactions occur there, and the oxidations, what are the reactions, what are the enzymes involved there, and then you see this video. Okay, before knowing about beta oxidation, you cannot understand the oxidations of other fatty acids. Clear? Now we learn about peroxisomal beta oxidation. Actually, the beta oxidation that occurs in mitochondria. Okay, and this is one kind of beta oxidation that occurs in the peroxisomes. Clear? So here, the difference between the mitochondrial beta oxidation and the peroxisomal beta oxidation is that the long chain of fatty acids are beta oxidized in the peroxisomes, but the completion of the reaction is not possible. That means the fatty acid chains are shortening, but total oxidization is not possible here. And the electrons that are produced in a FADH2 and NADH, the electrons that electrons go to the from FADH2 it goes to oxygen and it transfers the oxygen into H2O2, hydrogen peroxides, and this enzyme is involved here. This is the flavoprotein acyl CoA oxidase. Okay. Flavoprotein acyl CoA oxidase. So, what we learned about the electrons that produced in the mitochondria, that are generally involved in, or that goes to electron transport chain, and they are involved. They are involved means the electron generally helps to oxygen to produce water. In that electrons are produced in NADH and FADH2 in mitochondrial membrane, inner mitochondrial membrane, and their oxygen transferred to water. Okay, but here in case of peroxisome, the electron helps oxygen to form H2O2. This is the main difference, and another difference is that I explained you that the total oxidation of the fatty acids is complete oxidation of the fatty acid is not possible. Okay, the complete oxidation of the fatty acid generally possible in generally occurs in the mitochondrial membrane. Okay, so these are the main difference between the peroxisomal beta oxidation and the mitochondrial beta oxidation. Okay, I explained another topic in my next video. Okay, and before seeing this video about the oxidations of different fatty acids like monosaturated and polyunsaturated, etc., or 3-carbon odd number chain, you just check out the first of all the full description of beta oxidation, about beta oxidation. Okay, and I just made that video elaborately and not included here, and these are the just related topic about the beta oxidations of the fatty acid chain. First you check that beta oxidation, that is what is beta oxidation and how this occur in mitochondrial membrane, and then you just see this video, then you can easily understand what is occurring. Okay, thank you.